Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tricks for your Xiaomi Pad 6. Okay, so let's start from the photo mode, and right here we can take the photos by using these volume buttons. So take a look. When I click on the volume up, I have 2 seconds delay of the shutter, and after this photo is taken. Then we can just click on the screen and move the sun icon up and down to adjust brightness level of our camera. You can also click once to adjust brightness automatically. When you click right here in the photo mode, you can change filters, and as you can see, they change the color and the temperature on our photos. When you click on this arrow, you can enable the voice shutter. So right now we have to say cheese. Let's try one more time. Cheese. And the photo is taken. Next, we are also able to open the settings to find other useful options. For example, we can use the touch photography. So right now you can take the photos by tapping on the screen. If you want to use other useful modes of this device, you have to go for the more modes, and you can find, for example, the dual video mode. So this mode allows us to record videos from the two cameras at the same time. You can also switch the position of these cameras, and you can make this kind of the picture-in-the-picture mode. So you can just start recording, and that's how it looks. You can also take the photos while recording. Okay, and honestly, that's all camera tips and tricks for the Xiaomi Pad 6. Hope you like it.